today I'm doing the funny noises challenge. I made it up. What you have to do is make funny noises. So let me start now. Okay, I got lots of funny noises. Shake like a ding dong. Okay, I've got my horse noise. I've got my weird noise. Peace out. So, yeah. If you do ask me when you're going to do your Minecraft videos, I don't know when that will happen. Because I need something to put my tablet on. So, right now I'm not watching something. So, yeah, bunny noises, sorry. Okay. So let's just change on something else. Let's do something else like yeah, I'll be doing Minecraft soon. I haven't got it on the computer yet, or laptop, whatever. But I will get it on my birthday. So, I don't have a phone to record this on. I have a tablet. So yeah, I've got a weird arm. So I got my sister, I got my mum, I got my 2 dogs. I also give my 2 tortoises. One died though. Santa, Rudolph, and Cupid. And I got big, small, medium, but now I've only got big and small. So I've also got 2 cats, Charlie and Lola. A hamster called Muffin, and yeah, that's basically it. So the whole thing. And a fish. Lots of fish. And that's basically my pets. Goodbye! I do like singing. I do go to a dance class in the field. Open up the curtain. Sorry, that was my sister. She wouldn't open the curtains. Okay, now you can see a bit clearer. So I will be singing some songs like. What do you think I should do, my sister? What do you think I should do? Black magic, yes. So, ready? How does it start? I just start with take a sip from a secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. First love that can be broken. One sip and you'll be mine. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe and it's called black magic. And it's called black magic. Take a sip from a secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. First love that can be broken. One sip and you'll be mine. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe and it's called black magic. And it's called black magic. Take a sip from a secret potion. I'll make you fall in love. First love that can be broken. One sip and you'll be mine. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe. It's called black magic. It's called black magic.